This sign that what is sign about you know there कोई navigate it's good evening to you. Anyone is there online? Can see the board. Vedant?
No, sir.
Sharing with number. Now can you see?
Yes, sir.
I think fully you can't see. Can you see fully or what?
The upper part I cannot see.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now those are Chalo, good evening to you all. Good evening. How are you, Darshan? Good. Good. Which chapter we are doing? I think I asked you people to do some homework and come. Yes or no? Yes. Samarth, what was the homework was given?
Sir, application of trigonometry of previous body functions. First 10 questions.
Done?
Yes, sir.
All of you take it out.
Sir, but I have taken
Another book. Go and get that another book.
because I am said to do daily 1 hour maths. So I have done it there.
So daily 1 hour math you done. So you could have brought that book now.
Yes, sir.
So then you asked, ma'am said daily 1 hour math. Oh, so you did. It's given to madam or what? It's you.
Yes,
Where is the book?
there I go.
So you should have brought.
Yes, sir.
So then what to do? I have to call your mom. Mommy and tell.
I will bring it.
Huh? Okay, what is here? Number Q. Stand up. Stand up. How many you done? Why only 3? Just now you are done. Isn't it?
No, I
Hello. What time RSS and stop left the lecture? 5:00. 5:50. So 15 minutes recursion we are done. You? Hello. Minutes. Why you for all meeting? Aru. No math practice. No math practice. Which chapter? Surface area study. What is the total surface area study? Yes. Once in a month, you know. Now next one. What is your problem? I can eat them regularly or once in a month or regularly. Yes, you. What? Two. When is the you are standing and you are standing for what? Why you are standing? So now homework not done by anyone. Okay. Half the class is after. Question not done the homework. Somewhat not done the homework. Where is that girl? It is Meera. Arushman not done the homework. Aryan not done the homework. Ashita not done the homework. Just done not done the homework. So what is to be done? Please to parents. What is it? And Ramos tendency I will write regularly my homework test. Every time is first time, no? Whenever I get it. So exams are over now. Hey, don't tell me how many questions homework was given surface area only. A textbook I know and textbook how many questions are there. Teacher don't give all the questions as homework, na? So, study regularly. I will do one thing, you know. I'll stay back. Stay back after 6:30, 6:20. You're going home, some. I'll call mommy. He's not studying. Huh? She will not come. She will not pick up. Why? So she will not pick up. I would not from a video. She will not pick up the call. So father not follow. Better now. Those who come, mommy. Call no. Father is better. And then call. Huh? Hello, don't make all these stories. Justin, don't come up with these stories. And you are going even now. What story? Present. Why did you do homework? Guilty not well, no? Reason, no reason, no? Huh? The next one I need to see how many questions? On the plus 10. 15 plus 15 plus 10 is 10. Now you are coming on which day? Monday. Finally, how much? 25 questions. 10 of which one? Application. Hello? You will tell what you have done. 10 of application of trigonometry. Now I'm completing the coordinate geometry. I'll give the question 15 of. After this exam will not come in any exam. Those are not coming. Not coming, coordinate geometry. Deleted from trigonometry. Where? Which exam? Who's not coming? In the school. Now next is 75% syllabus periodic test. CBSE system is what? Now there is a periodic test will come PT2. It will come full syllabus of that till that time. When is the pre-board? December. Then this is what? This is October. October to December long meeting. December, not December, 2 months application time. I will tell you, okay, hello, don't tell 10th standard student, you cannot tell, sir, this is not there, this is not. 9, if they are telling you, okay, maybe after this it may not come. You have to write away from real numbers any chapter if I do means, if I tell means you have to do this. Because it's all there in your exam. Deleted portions, all these things, there's no need to do that. Is something different. Okay, whether it is come, because some of the school they will live or even have a day today. 9th standard even telling. So next exam is 75% syllabus. It's actually CBSE rule is that no. One test, first test is 25%, next is 50, 70 like that. I don't know what this school does. I have no idea. Okay, so that anyway, sit down. Please seriously do it. This is the time you have to be down now. September over. Down now, December now. 2 months time, your prelims will start and over now. Don't delay. Now I have to today I will complete the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, okay, chapter 7, no? Yes. Okay, heights and distance, already said, test paper is scheduled, I think. Next maths test paper will be trigonometry and heights and distance, remember? Yes, notice. Okay, this Sunday they did not said anything, because I could not be in office. Huh? We, I don't need to wait on Friday or wait on the notes. Okay. And there is one big geometry. 159. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. All of you know the formula now. Do want me to close the textbook? Huh? Close the textbook. Close it. Close the right distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula, centroid formula. Distance formula. The centroid formula related. Actually, not required. Not. Distance formula, whichever you know, write down. Distance, section, midpoint, and if you know centroid, centroid also. Over time, over. Arush, you're on. Done. Distance formula. Yes. What is distance formula? X minus what? Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Don't make mistake. AB is equal to what is A here? What is A here? X1 y1 first coordinate. What is B here? X2 y2. They are the two coordinates. Distance formula. Now, what is the distance formula is used for what? Find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, and the distance formula. With that one, lot of applications here done. Next is section formula. You wrote x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the section formula. This is for use for what? To find out what? The point which divide the line segment, or point of division. Point which divides the line segment in the given ratio. What is the ratio here? M is to, it is internally. What are the endpoints? Endpoints x1, y1 and x2, y2. You have to be careful about this one. Okay. Then, so if you have to draw the figure this way, P is x1, y1. And Q x2, y2. And there is a point R, whose coordinate is x comma y. Divides in the ratio m is to n. Then section formula applied. Then midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. You know what you mean by midpoint? Ratio is equal, midpoint means divides into two equal parts. This is the midpoint. Even centroid formula, it's easy. What is it? X1 plus X2 plus X3 divided by 3, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 divided by 3. Generally know this formula, you will not use in the exams. For 1 mark questions are not you short calculations, you can use it. Okay, otherwise don't lose it. K is to 1 is point the ratio to find out, just you don't need to remember that formula. You have to just remember that to obtain the ratio, replace M is to N as K is to 1. Means M will be replaced as K. N is replaced as 1. Therefore, the formula comes KX2 plus YX1 divided by K plus 1. KY2 plus Y1 divided by K plus 1. This much is okay. All of you, no problem. It's all we discussed. Now, I have to complete this exercise. Certain parts was not done. Exercise 7.4. 7.4 in 7.3. 7.4 also is there. There's no area of triangle. No, there is 7.4. What is like section and section? We are balanced. What is 7.1 is there? Application. That is not there. That is there. So that is application of this or no? Separate linear equations also application question you did. Optional questions. You did linear equations. You did. Linear equations very kiya tha. Where school? Tuition answer school. In this also 7.4 is optional. We don't have the 7.4. It is there in the miscellaneous. Okay, area of triangle is not there, no? It is not related to them. That is why I'm telling you, 7.3 is based on area of the triangle. Then in the miscellaneous that is been added. Okay, so whichever that is, you know why I'm telling you people to do the work, because these all types of questions comes, you have to come and clarify this and not getting this, we are not getting. That is the reason I am telling you people to do exercises, practice. Okay, so that is even NCRT, when you do notes are doing, there are other classes, other bandits, they keep on clarify the doubts. So even there are Nerun and 2-3 students always, even break time also they will come and clarify. No problem, no, that's it. That is the way people come and go. You have to tell, see, this doubt, that doubt, okay, whatever doubts are there, you should ask. Where doubt comes, when you practice. Doubt will not come because you don't practice. Otherwise, you know everything. Are you the category everything you know? And okay, another one. Distance from the origin to the point, what is it? Root of x square plus y square. If P is like this one. O is the origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. P is a point whose coordinate is x comma y. OP will be equal to root of x square plus y square. Okay, OP is equal to root of x square plus y square. Are you followed as she? What is it? O is origin whose coordinate is 0, 0. Coordinate of P is x comma y. Therefore, OP is equal to root x square plus y square. Even if you don't know, directly you can use the distance formula. Y(x1), y1 is 0, 0, x2, y2 is the other point. Okay. Exercise 7.1, any problem you have, tell me. We have done everything. Still, if anyone needs that serve, you anything you so. I don't think a problem. I have already done exercise 7.1. Yes. Done now? Yes. Okay. I need all of you to do 1 or 2 questions based on 7.1. Take page 163. Page 163. Written. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 11. 2 and 11. One 63, question number 2 and 11. Second question, find the distance. So what is formula of area? This must find it. What is the question written? What is the question read? Yes, it is. First, you have to identify which type of model action. Then you can identify the which formula according to. Second question, all of you done? Yes. Yes, I got from one only. Others got? Chester got? Shire, what is the shire? There is an answer yes or no. Huh? Yes, no, yes.
Yes, sir.
What? Aryan got? Which question? Okay, question number 2, where we are done. Distance of like load of you. And find the distance between the points. Which are the 2 points are given? Oh, so x1, y1 is 2a, comma 6a. X2, y2. What is it? 2a plus root 3 times a, comma 3 root a. Root 3 or 3 root a? Root 3. I wrote root 3. She made me to make it change. Change the. Are you okay? Comma 5a. Therefore, let's say this is which are 2 points A, B. Distance of root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Root of 2a plus root 3a minus 2a the whole square plus 5a minus 6a the whole square. Root 3a whole square plus minus a whole square. Root 3a is 3a square plus a square. Is equal to 2a. Done. Then this is done. Vedant, you are getting?
The second question I got.
Second question not getting. Unequal.
The second question I got 11th and 2.
And the 11th one not getting. Fine. So 11th one, then leave that one. Because that is based on
I didn't get the
area
answer
of the
for
triangle.
second.
Okay. Area of the triangle. Okay. Because you will get
Sir.
this type of question. If it is.
Sir,
Who is it?
I didn't get the answer for the second one.
Which second one?
This second one, this question.
What part I did not do? Plus minus. Distance now. What
Yes,
part
sir.
you did not got? What is the part you did not get?
I just solved it and I didn't get the right answer. I think I made a mistake somewhere.
Is it the see? You can see what is it now here. Can you see? Switch on the video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so its solution is here. Now, 11th one, if why I have shown this one, if it is coming in the exam, you have to do that by this one because there is another way there. Had it been, if it is an area formula, if you have means, then you draw one diagonal. Diagonal divide the triangle parallel, sorry, quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Find the area of first triangle and the area of the second triangle and add it. But that is the way. If it is coming in the exam, what you have to do means first you identify what type of. Identify type of quadrilateral. Maybe if it is a rectangle, length of rhombus means half D1, D2. Okay. Square means A square, generally not that other conditions comes. Okay, so you don't have the things you have. Only one more condition, one more question I need to make all of you. Question number 23. 23. Solve it and show me. Why you for formula? Because all the 3 points are x-axis. So that you have to explain and you have to do it if you want to apply. Otherwise, you have to apply distant formula. Not okay. Understood or not? The basic concept it is coming up here. What is it? Equidistant. You know what is the meaning of equidistant? Equidistant. So equidistant means you can take p. P equals p. So take p x comma 0. A is minus 2 comma 0. And b commits 6 comma 0. Yes or no? P is x comma 0. Therefore AP is equal to BP. Use the distant formula x minus 2x plus 2 whole square plus 0 equal to root of x minus 6 whole square plus 0. That is x plus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 6 whole square. X square plus 4x plus 4 equal to x square minus 12x plus 36. Okay, let's just follow be followed. So answer it is coming as how much you'll get us. So it is coming as 4x minus plus 12x plus 6 minus 16x is equal to 32, x is equal to 2. Therefore, the point B is 2 comma 0. That's just understood or not? Actually, done. If the second method, since all the 3 points are on the x-axis, they are collinear. Therefore, P is the midpoint of AB. Write the steps clearly. Otherwise, teachers will not give the mark. Okay? Right. Then only you can apply that midpoint formula. This you have followed. Okay. This one you have followed. This there is no explanation. That's all. Okay. Method 2 I am telling you. A is a point on x-axis. B is a point on x-axis. P is a point on x-axis. Therefore, all these 3 points are collinear. Hence, P is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, midpoint formula you can use. X is equal to minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2 and y is equal to 0. Okay, that is a method also you can use it, but that property you have to write it properly. That is very rare case only you can apply. Here you can apply because it is the midpoints of the x-axis. Okay, now section formula all of you know how to apply. We have done the exercise where I wrote it.
So we have completed, but we have left the 8th one. Use analytical commentator.
Only 8 questions only not done.
Yes, sir. Use the analytical commentator.
I think there are 3-4 questions I said I will do it and all. Only 8 only check. I don't know. You people check and let me know. Okay. Understood. Justin, yes, I'll from here. From here, take you have said now there's an exercise 7.4 is there now. And you bring that 7.4 and I tell them what are the problems are there that I will explain if anything required. Okay. Okay. So I will all of you need to come to page number same 163 only. Okay. 163. Question number 8. Question number 8. The line segment AB joining points A, B is trisected at P and Q. Find the value of P and Q. Trisected, you know what is the meaning? Are you following or she not able to? Draw a figure now. Huh? That's it done. What the answer? What are the 2 points are given? What is A and B? A is what? 3 comma minus 4. Okay, B. Huh? 2. Trisected at which points? What?
E minus P, comma minus
P comma minus Q.
I by E by comma
Side by 3 comma Q. Wait. Very good. Section. Listen, who has done? Darshan has done. Yes. Hello. Listen. Do you know what I mean by this one? Trisected. Divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, how did you do Darshan?
The first P is midpoint of A and Q.
Oh.
So 3.
How do you know P is the midpoint of A and Q?
Because this trisected.
Trisected. So which is,
PQ.
do you know P comes first or Q comes first?
Then we can use section. I have used section formula.
And which ratio you are taking?
AP is to PV.
AP is to PB is what?
1:2.
How do you decide it is 1:2? It can, you had it been if it was 2:1 now. Are you followed? If it was, look here,
Then the question is P first and then Q.
don't take, is it given they are in the order?
Then what can we do?
If it was these values are not given, then your work was very simple. If these also are not given, some x1, y1 and x2, y2, this, you cannot conclude directly. So let me take this as k and this is y. Y what you take? Y is equal to y. K is to 1 now. P divides AP is to PB is equal to K is to 1. Then that is K times x2 plus 1 times y1 divided by K plus 1. Replace minus 2 is equal to K times x2 is how much? So y2 is how much? 2 plus 1 time minus 4 divided by K plus 1. Cross multiply minus 2K minus 2 is equal to 2K minus 4. So shift over here. So what will we get? Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to what will we get here? 4K. So 4K is equal to 2. Therefore, K is equal to how much? 1:2. Understood or not? So 1:2 means what is the ratio? You have to change the figure. You have to 1:2. Okay, see this is 1 and 2. This you have to identify.
This was correct.
You have to identify how the question teacher will ask why. Okay, therefore K is to 1 is to 2. Now it is correct, there is no problem. If you want to use the midpoint formula, you can write P is midpoint of AQ. Then you take it as okay. Therefore, what we get on x is equal to x value only take. X is equal to or y also you can take. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Therefore, x value is p is equal to 3 plus 5 by 3 divided by 2. LCM 9 plus 5 divided by 3 times 2. That is 40 by 3. 7 by 3 value of p. Now to get the y value, y is minus 2 is equal to what will you get as minus 4 plus q divided by 2. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus q. Q is equal to q. Q. What happened?
I got the answer 0.
What is the problem?
How did you get minus 4 for y1?
P, this is the x now. This is x1. This is x2 now. Sorry, y1 and y2. This is a y.
Okay.
Y1, y2. What did you use?
I took P Q and Q.
You took the Q is the midpoint of PB. I took the same thing. P is the midpoint for the same. What you did is correct. There is no problem. Okay. What happened? Tell now. What is your doubt? Tell. Speak. What is written over here? P is the midpoint of PQ, midpoint of AQ. So this is x1, y1, x, y, x2, y2. Replace x is how much P? 3, 5 by 3. Okay. Y minus 2, x1. If you are taking this one, this side, same answer will come. Don't need to take one side is enough. Okay, but that ratio proving is important part. Important means to identify. It's not necessary to be 1:2 or whatever. All of the column. That was question number which one? 8 or not? 9 or all of you? Question 9. 3 vertices of the parallelogram A, B, C are this. Find the 4 vertex. Now, all of you do. Getting or not getting? Getting. One set getting, others. Right. Yes, sir. Right. Strings of. No. Now you see, then after that, AC, diagram. Look at the okay. Just you can stop, or she can stop. Okay. I'm not telling you it's not me. Okay, what is A? 3 comma? Are you loudly minus 4. B
minus 1, minus
minus 3. C.
2 comma.
Are you one of it?
minus 6, 2. 2.
D you have to find out. Listen, all of you, stop writing. Hello. You will not get that way. That is not the way. All are doing the distance formula, isn't it? AB is equal to CD, AD equal to BC. If you are going to do that way, you will not get. So let's say this is the coordinate is A comma B. If you are going to do that, your distance formula, you have seen squares. X square term is there. You be done. There are those are expanded. You must have seen X square is there, Y square is there, X is there, Y is there. It's a long way, and you will get another equation also that way. We are not going to do that way. This question we are done in the class. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, P is the midpoint of AC and BD. So find midpoint of AC, find the midpoint of BD, equate, you get the answer. Ooh. Understood or not? Write the first statement. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, P is the midpoint of AC and BD. First, P is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, P is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 3 should I do? Simplify. Minus 1. Now P is the midpoint of BD. P is equal to, in this case, minus 1 plus A divided by 2, comma, minus 3 plus B divided by 2. Second equation. Equate both of them. That is minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus A divided by 2, comma, minus 3 plus B divided by A. From P. P. One. Oh, sorry, that is legal. Equated now, automatically you get the value now. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus A. So then the x coordinate of P and B are same. X coordinate of P and D. What did you do? Go to the A and B and run by explain. Yes, wrong, no. That is why I did not take that x comma y. You know why I did not take x comma y? Because P is x comma y. Careful while writing. What is the value? Minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 4. No. It's 2 and 1, no? Equate now. Now that remaining of the equation, x will be equal to x. Minus 3 by 2 is equal. I had to write all the steps out. Comma. Minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus b divided by 2. This is equal to this. X equal to x. Y equal to y. Simplify. Arshi minus 3 is equal to minus 8. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 is equal to 8. Yes. And here minus 2 is equal to minus 3 plus 2. Cross multiply. Minus 3, that is 1. Coordinate of D is minus 2 comma 1. How many mistakes I'm making? Careful. That's why questions read carefully. You have to sometimes shortcut forms are there, you will do it. You have to be very careful for area. This one you will not be able to read. Always better to come. Our area part of yarn is area part of half into sum of added size. Half into there is no. Area parallelogram is base into height. Height you don't have no. Trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half h into a plus b, no, half a plus b into h.
Then half in this question.
Which question?
This question.
This one, they did not ask about area, no?
They have asked.
Question number 9 we will bring up.
And find the area.
Area you cannot find out. Okay. Area you can find out means you can find out if the diagonals are opposite sides are equal. You got it. Check the diagonals length. Are the diagonals are equal in length? Minus if the diagonals are equal means it's a rectangle. Check. What is AC? Darshan find out AC. Arshi find out BD. Chester find out AC. Samath find out BD. Aryan find out AC. This one. Aryan find out BD. 117. AC. I asked you find AC. Check once again. Don't tell it's wrong then. Sure, no? I asked 3 people to find out AC. AC. And I asked 3 people to find BD. You don't think your AC, no? Who all got AC? Huh? This much time to find distance AC?
I got it.
You got what BD?
Yes, sir.
So you got what? And Arshi, what did he get? Archie going to do. Aryan, what did he get? This man, Arush, what? 5 fast. Which one? BD is 570.
Root 17. I got root 17.
What is AC you got? Chester, what did he get? What is it? You what did you get? AC. And you BD. Arush, what is your question? BD. You find BD now?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? You got 5. How did you get 5? What is x1, y1, a2? Minus 1? Tell now, what is x? Tell now.
क्या वापस बोला
x1, y1. x1, y1. Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, where you go? x1, y1. x1, y1. If you have taken this is x1, this is y1. If this is x2, this is y2. Understood or not? Means -2 + 1, -1. 1 + 3, 4.
minus. Okay, that's it.
So, but answer is wrong now. Root 17 is coming. What did you get x1, y1? These two. This is x1. I'll speak now. So they are not equal, so we don't need to do. What did he do? Root 3. These whole people. Look, AC people. Aryan, what did you take x1, y1? 3, -4. x2, y2. -6, 2. Is it or not? Huh? What is the question I asked you to do? Aryan, my dear child, what I asked you to find out? What I asked you to find? AC. So x1, y1, x2, y2. This is the way you are taken. Or this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. AB. Okay. Therefore, AC is equal to root of x2 means -6, -3. Plus 2 minus -4 is 4. All now. Wrong now. That is the same beginning itself when she said I come to know. You can take these are the x1, y1 or these are anything you can take. Be careful because formula applying, which is not formula, knowing itself is. After knowing, what to substitute is important. Okay, how that is why you have to practice. Practice this chapter was there in the exams. So when are you going to practice? Huh? Okay, but first thing is what you do. But I. One more question. I'll give you this. This question is there now. Okay, question on page 165. Question number 12. 165, question number 12. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 1. Divide the line segment journey A2, -2.
And this is from standpoint. I think yes.
These similar type of questions we have done also in the exercise.
So we have to find the exercise.
If you done in exercise 7.2, similar one. Go to beats and load. Don't know. Okay. School, full time back will you do questions?
Sir, I thought I'd have कराओगे tuition में.
This you have done, you check exercise 7.2, question number 4, you check. Same thing. Only. 2 or 3. Find the ratio.
सर मेरे को इतना पता है ऐसा डायग्राम होगा.
Okay. Chalo, listen. What are the coordinates? A is what?
A is 2, -2.
2, -2.
Yes, sir.
B,
3, 7.
equation 2x.
Plus y minus 4
is equal to 0.
Okay. We have to find out the ratio. Let's the ratio is k is to 1. Let's say this is the coordinate C.
Now we'll get
Find the coordinate of C. How will you get coordinate of C? You can take x, y. X is section formula apply now. This is x1, this is y1. X2, y2. Therefore, x is equal to k times x2 plus 1 time x1 divided by k plus 1. Y is equal to k y2 plus 1 time y1 divided by k plus 1. Replace k times x2 is what? 3 plus 1 into 2 divided by k plus 1. That is 3k plus 2. That's the value of x. K into 7 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by k plus 1. So y is equal to 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. You have to write, since C is a point on the line. C is a point on the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Replace. X will be replaced. I am learning now. I don't know, so I am learning now. Huh? Or you are giving guidance to them. Then what you are asking? Formula. Section formula. Replace.
Sorry.
Huh? Question क्यों दिया? To get the value of this one. 2 times x will be replaced as 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 plus y 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Remaining part all of you solve. Write the steps and complete it. All of you do it.
Not really.
You know?
Just using my calculation. Yeah.
Simplify. Got the answer? Steps and all you have to write. Same question we have done in exercise 7.2, question number 3. Before closing down, I will tell you certain things. Note down in the book. So this is 2 times 3k plus 2, k plus 1, plus 7k minus 2, divided by k plus 1, is equal to 4. Multiply LCM and cross multiply 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 is equal to 4 times k plus 1. 6 plus 7, 13k plus 2 is equal to 4k plus 4. Okay, 13 minus 9k is equal to 4 minus 2. K is equal to 2 by 9. Therefore, ratio is 2 is to 9. Yeah, listen. Homework 1. 10 questions of application trigonometry. 15 questions from this coordinate geometry. Okay. Now, go through exercise 7.1 and 7.2 and tell me which all questions you don't know. That is very important. 7.1 and 7.2. And bring the next part also so that I will complete with this one. Okay. Practice. Hello, bye.
Thank you, sir.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है।
अच्छा आपने कुछ नहीं किया?
मैं सबसे गरीब इसने सब कुछ किया है।
हम परीक्षा मेरा ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है लीनियर वाला है लीनियर सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट पूरे सिलेबस में तीन है आगे जो भी करना सब करना है रिवर्स बाहर टीचर से सिलेबस हम बना दिया और डबल लेक्चर करेंगे पूरा इसलिए उसको नाम बड़ा पता है, नाम तो बड़ा पता है।